I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can sign into your Meta account. That prevents lockouts later. Once done, open the Meta Quest mobile app and keep your headset nearby for any device prompts. Make sure two-step verification codes are accessible, either via Authenticator app or SMS, because changing primary contact can trigger additional verification. If you manage multiple accounts, pick the correct one now. This initial verification saves time and avoids account conflicts. When you navigate to your Meta account settings on web or in the app, then choose Personal Info and Contact Info. Once there, select Edit next to Email and add the new address you want to use. After adding, Meta sends a verification code to that new email. Open it and enter the code when prompted. Make sure you complete verification immediately, because unverified addresses won't become primary and you'll be prompted again. This step ensures notifications and account recovery go to the new address. After verification, set the new email as your primary contact and confirm any prompts on your headset or linked devices. You should then update saved login details on the Quest and reconnect third-party services that relied on the old email. If you get stuck, first check spam folders and request a resend. Next, ensure no email forwarding or filters block verification. If issues persist, contact Meta support while signed in so they can verify ownership and help complete the transfer without losing purchases or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.